SHOT Show 2026 coverage is presented by 511 Tactical. Speaking of great cans, we've got Callie here, not to be confused with Carmen Sandiego. She just said that I am officially a silver fox now that I'm 43 years old.
Well, first I staged it as a question because I didn't want to assume, but I kind of leaning towards yes because you were on range day and the sun was glistening in your hair, and I thought that looked quite nice and silvery. And
you sound like one of my commenters. Like, I'm positive you.
It kind of works for you, though. I'm not going to lie, because the silver fox is a good thing.
Yeah. Everyone wants to catch a silver fox, and I want to catch what's going on with this new suppressor that we have here at Rugged. It's always a treat. All kidding aside, you know I love you to death, Callie, yes. And I know that the viewers love you as well. What are we looking at today?
We're looking at the SUB9. It is our new can. It came out January 1st, and it is our dedicated subgun can. And we love it. Like, we absolutely love it. It is amazing on, the Kuna, MP5s, those kind of things. And we came out with like a Bixler style, which some people may not be familiar with that tri-lug that it comes with. And so it's got a really secure, concentric lockup on it because it screws on instead of the others are really quick, but pop it on. But this one, because if you're going to shoot a high rate of fire or you got an FRT or a super safety, this is the way to go. Okay, it's a little bit more secure than that quick press quarter twist from a regular tri-lug. Right, but we're talking 7 seconds more. So a lot of people have 7 seconds. So but if you don't, the other's a good way to go. Well, whoever. It is nice. Don't get me wrong. I love the tri-lug and I love being able to just twist it on and off. But at the end of the day, who's oh shit, I need to get my silencer on in 1 second versus 7 seconds. It's life or death. So I get. This isn't a rodeo. They don't matter that many the seconds. But I think the other works really well. But this is just a good way to do it for. I feel like it's because of the heavy duty use of a lot of subguns. Let's say I want to do direct thread. It's universally mounted, so you can take this part out and put in our other universal mount or some other and do so. So that's the Rugged universal mount, RUM, right? Right. We have the direct thread. Yeah, the direct thread as well fits in there. Yeah. Is that also hub? Will that work with hub? Hub. Just take it out. Do what you please with it. So yeah, it is a hub universal thread. So. Talk to me about construction. It is 17.4 stainless steel, and the way we designed the baffles is they do have some kind of coaxialness to them, if you would call it that. So it definitely vents. It's not, I wouldn't call it a vented can, but it definitely helps with all of the gas moving it forward. And so sure, they're a little less traditional cone baffle. This is all stainless steel? Yes. Okay, well, that's... It's anodized, and obviously the Cerakote, the high-temp Cerakote. Okay, yeah, I was about to say, because it just feels lighter than a stainless steel can, but that's pretty impressive, and that means I could probably thrash the shit out of this thing because it is belt-fed rated. It's amazing, and what a lot of the technology of this that's going through with the FRTs, super safeties, and things like that, it really matters that it has to be able to hold up to that. One might say it's very rugged. Thank God. If you didn't make that, I was going to be so pissed off. Thank you. It's my job. Yeah. Speaking of your job, tell us when it comes out and how much it costs. It came out on January 1st, and it is MSRP $950. All right. Are you selling it with Silencer Shop? We are selling it with Silencer Shop, and it does come with the new, or what we're calling the RU3, which is the Rugged Universal Tri-Lug. So that saved you a little bit of cash. Oh, there. Sure. Well, I had to come over here. I felt obligated because I remember getting a text from you saying, James, I'm coming to your range. We're going to shoot this new suppressor. You don't know. In town. Yeah. And what happened? An airline that shall not be named, Delta, lost all of my gun cases, including every bit of it that was full auto, and I had one sleepless night while they were trying to locate it, and by the time they found it and sent it back, your busy schedule was moving on. Yeah, I was out of the country, so
I feel really bad. Had to come back. Like, I really appreciate the fact you came to visit, and then like we don't even get to film because they lost your ship.
See each other.
But here we are.
Here we are.
Look at us. Here
Look
we
at
are.
us.
See?
Exactly.
All's well that ends
One day
well.
we're gonna shoot this.
Yeah, and one day I might even get to shoot it. Little miracles happen at SHOT Show 2026
Maybe
in
you should
Las
come to
Vegas.
South Carolina.
Maybe I will never go to South Carolina. Just kidding. Maybe I'll see you there. Guys, and maybe I'll see you here in Vegas, SHOT Show 2026. Stay tuned.